All right, here we come to the tunnel elevator at the Veterinary Medical Science Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This elevator has an epic motor, but not as good as the one that is from 1968, which is sadly broken. But this thing's still got a good motor despite the fan. Anyways, let's see if the bell works. It lights up, but it doesn't ding. B? The fan is actually quite quiet in here. You're gonna hear a wonderful motor on this elevator. I already filmed this elevator before. All right, we're gonna close this elevator up and get a listen to the motor. I already filmed this elevator long ago. Got a better take of it, but I still decide to film it again with my phone. All right, get a listen, here we go. Epic. Stops with a little bump. Here's your phone. We'll go for one more ride. All right, we are now going to end the video at B, and we're going to head back to the library. The VetMed Science Library, that is. Anyways, I'm thankful I got this elevator. I'm thankful that this elevator has a wonderful motor, because I would really be sad if that 1968 Dover got modernized. Oh, I forgot to test the bumper. See, it's got the old bumper. Anyways, before I go, I want to sample the chime. I want to sample the chime before I leave. I love it. Although it's a little bit more quieter than on the inside. All right, there it goes. And that was amazing. That was an amazing motor on this specific elevator right here. And look right here. This is the tunnel that leads into the VetMed Science Library. The Veterinary Medical Science Library, also known as. See? Look at this tunnel. It is beautiful. All right, that's where we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. That'll be it.